Kahit mahirap ang buhay, hindi magdadalawang isip na tumulong sa kapwa. At kahit na anumang pagsubok, handa pa rin tumulong. Pusong Pilipino ito. Kami nakahanda sa lahat ng sakuna. Kami nakahandang tumulong.
I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be. And when the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show the world I care. Oh, my friends, I'll see you there where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die.
This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle.
Magpati kung sa sambal mo. Pag sambal na mong garo nga lumpat, ha?
This is how legends.
Are you ready? ka na masunod sa Philippine Eagle?
Yes, sir.
Kuya, ang lumpatan mo, tama, hindi mo ka mabalaan kung ano ka dalom niyo, kung ano ka nabaw. Pero kung nagasalig ka sa imong mga kuya, lumpat ka.
Left, right
Okay,
na.
forward na. March. Left.
Left.
Right. Left.
Everyone, regardless of your status, your experience, the paddle system. The paddle system signifies your commitment, your love, your willingness to serve the organization, the community, and your fellow. Do you love the Philippine Eagles?
Yes.
Are you willing to serve the community?
Yes.
Are you willing to help your kuya?
Yes.
So since it is a tradition, kuya, welcome, but you need to experience the paddle system. Okay?
Okay.
Kasi kay tanah may go bala kuya.
May hapin na ito, may hapin na.
Hold your balls.
Yan doon ang
Kaya doon ba ito lasa? Oy, dapat eh. I love you.
Yan doon, ginmabakol.
I love you. Kailang pagka...
Inahina kasi tagmok kamay sila. Mahilig sila hol. Kabalo na nila kuya.
Basta I love you. Kailang... Kuya, kailas ka. Last.
Sige, pag tatlo.
Sigit niya, kuya, ilan bigay. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa, isa pa.
I love you, girl!
Tugol di golaw.
And repeat after me. I state your name. Having consciously subscribed to the Constitution and Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, and aware of my responsibility to my God and country, do hereby To promote. And defend. At all times. Said Constitution. Eagles Magna Carta. And its ideals. To the best of my ability. And within the power and capacity. So help me God. Ang iba nga naglumpat hindi nasa Pilas. Thank you for trusting us. Salamat, nagpasalamat kami nga ginasaligan nyo kami nga mga kuya. Kahit gusto nyo mag-join sa Philippine Agent. Okay? So welcome to the organization. Before we finalize our activity, I'll give the floor to our regional governor, Kuya Igol Bros Suspilia. Kuya. Morning, applicants! Morning! Nanginang daw. Anyway, dali na lang. Last tips na lang ang atong agyan. So, we are almost 90% sa procedure. So, ang last natin is ang orients na lang application, which is May 5, no? May 5. So, siguro welcome namon kamo. So, hopefully sa adlaw sang induction ato man ako kita tanan. So ano daw may gin ko ba sa inyo? Sorry ko ba? Do mas ko ba pa tong panglupso kaysa sa final paddle mo. Anyway, welcome mga sir. So see you on May 5 final para magiging recognized as kuya na gid. Subo mga sir na night. Welcome.
I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with
Fine.
heart and
Our regional protocol officer will give a signal and a message, and then we will have a toast.
Naman ako yan? Ang bundok. Ito nga, Dad. Bili ka tanga ng raka.
let me help mankind to see I am.
Okay. Pero siya tayo.
Oh, mga kuya.
Pero siya tayo. Nag-program ka na yun, ha?
Kuya, i-kuha natin. Taas natin yung kuha natin. Good morning. Kuya, Sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, taas natin yung ang agila at sabay-sabay natin inumin ang ating Eagles Wine para sa isang araw na to na tagumpay natin. Mabuhay ang agila!
Equality